My problem was that a rectangular golf course has a perimeter of 1.5 kilometers squared. The length of the golf course 40 meters more than 4 times the width. Find out how many meters are the length of the golf course. So first we know that 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer, which in this case 1.5 kilometers squared equals 1500 meters squared. And we also know that the perimeter equals length multiplied width. So we create two equations. Our first equation will be length equals 4 multiplied width plus 40, and our second equation will be 1500 equals width multiplied length. So we write the two equations into each other, and we are gonna have 1500 W multiplied with 40 W plus 40. We multiply with W, and we are gonna have 4W squared plus 40W. We subtract 4W squared and also 40W from both sides. And the result will be minus 40W squared minus 40W plus 1500 equals 0. Then we factor out minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied with W squared plus 10W minus 325 in principle equals 0. So then we know that minus 375 divided by minus 15 equals plus 25. And if we add these two numbers together, it will equal plus 10. So W squared minus 15W principles plus 25W minus 325. Then we factor out W, and the result will be W minus 15 plus, and from our second part we factor out 25. The result will be W minus 15. Then we rewrite our equation that minus 4 multiplied in principles with W plus 25 multiplied with in principles W minus 15. and that equals 0. So we have 4 equations. We know that minus 4 does not equal 0. We also know that w plus 25 equals 0. And we subtract minus 25 from both sides, and the result will be w equals minus 25. That is also wrong, since the number can be negative. And the last part, when w minus 15 equals 0, we add 15 to both sides, and the result is w equals 15, and that's our width, so it will be 15 meters. From that, if we write that back to our first equation, our first equation was length equals 4 multiplied w plus 40. So we know that w equals 15, then L equals 4 times 15 plus 40. And our length will be 100 meters. Then we check our answer. We know that parameter equals width multiplied length. So it equals 100 multiplied, it equals 15 multiplied with 100, and it will be exactly 1,500 meters squared.